Some stationery is so cute, you can't even bring yourself to use it. We understand. Let's look at some items that are not only cute, but so useful, you'll have to use them. You'll have to. Mindwave stand sticky notes have spaces on their tummies and butts for short reminders and encouraging messages. There are plenty of sticky notes included in each pack, so don't feel bad about using them. And if you can't bear to peel off the last one, fold back the cardboard packaging to show off your animal friend. Before we move on, we quickly want to mention the insanely charming Book Friends folding book sticky notes. Like their name suggests, they close and resemble mini books, making them great for reading journals and planners alike. Fluffy bear and crab pouches from PG are devastatingly adorable. The small pouches can fit things like lip balm or earbuds and feature carabiners for clipping onto bags. The medium pouches are large enough for pens, compact wallets, or house keys. Let us know if you're Team Bear or Team Crab in the comments. If it seems like we're always talking about Uni-ball 1P gel pens, it's because we are. These pocket pens are short and stout, encouraging a relaxed grip style. Uni-ball 1 inks are vibrant, fast-drying, and bleed-resistant. JetPens marketing team members are huge fans of their delightful colorways. The fleece-like exteriors of Chronicle Books' Studio Ghibli journals are so soft, you won't be able to keep your hands off them. The lined paper inside is decorated with motifs from their respective movies. To add extra flair, and to cut down on the fear of the blank page, pair the journals with Movic Studio Ghibli sticky notes and washi tapes. Watch our video linked in the card above for quick and easy ideas on how to start journaling. Kutsuwa Relala pen cases are good long boys that provide ergonomic support. They are long boys. Boys with an I. When folded in half, magnets hold the case together to save space in a backpack. Then, when you're ready to work in front of a keyboard, the case unfolds and becomes a padded wrist rest. Designate pens to one zipper compartment and accessories to the other so they don't get tangled. Pre-inked Kodomo no Kao Pochito stamps look like precious keyboard caps. How could you not love them? How could you not love them? Said threateningly. They're just the right size for adding icons to monthly calendars or planner spreads. Simply remove the bottom lid, line up your preferred stamp where you want it, then push the stamp button down. The color of the icon indicates the color of the ink, and once the stamp design is dry, it can be filled in with water-based pens and markers. Tools to Live By is a brand best known for making beautiful tools that'll heighten the classiness of any stationery collection. Don't be fooled by the extra cute appearance of the 3-inch scissors. The blades are sharp and will cut tags and loose threads cleanly. Plus, the handles are lined with rubber to keep crafting comfortable. Jam Studio sticker albums are perfect for collectors who prefer to lovingly gaze at their stickers instead of using them. That's also me. Isn't that just all of us? They feature cool, 90s jelly-looking covers and plastic holders for storing your favorite sticker sheets. Choose from albums with different size holders depending on your sticker hoard. Collection. As an added bonus, each album comes with a zipper case for holding sticker flakes like those from BGM. This way, they'll never be out of sight and out of mind. I personally would always want the petite puppy stickers always in sight and on my mind. Just gaze upon them. They're so cute. All of them. I want all of them. Looking to try the trend of repurposing Altoid mint tins but want something a little less branded? Try Hightide tiny containers, which are easy to decorate and even come with precious mini handles. Keep one as a desk organizer, travel watercolor palette, or emergency first aid kit. What stationery do you think is too cute? Let us know in the comments. Check out our Kawaii Stationery curated collection for products we didn't mention in this video, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest cute stationery. Thanks for watching!